Welcome to 60238 Agate Road, located in Deschutes River Woods. This home is 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 1,240 square feet on 1.08 acres. It has a propane fireplace, cadet heaters, a swamp cooler, a detached shop garage, another storage shed, and hay storage / RV storage in the back. It has an approach on the right, a 350-gallon propane tank that's owned, and then a drive around the side here that circles in the back so you can take big trailers and vehicles back and loop them around and come back out, or park them under the structure. Standing at the door to the backyard that leads to the garage shop, looking in through the kitchen area and great room, you can see there's a nice open layout, lots of counter space, lots of cupboard and cabinet storage. Has a full suite of appliances included. The laminate floors are in great shape. The skylights offer a lot of natural light throughout the home. There's a propane fireplace. Nice sized dining room area. The front entrance with some built-ins, tile flooring. The larger of the 2 bedrooms really is the primary, even though there's not a true primary because it's not connected to a bathroom. Has the slider out onto the back patio. It's a good sized room. Second guest bedroom, currently being utilized as an office and for storage. Also, a good sized room. And the bathroom. Very spacious, tile floors, tile counters, tub shower combination, lots of storage there. Nice tile work, little bench area. Just a nice tiled shower that is extremely functional and spacious. And there's a big covered back patio. And finally, the utility room. You can see the newer water heater, the electrical panel. Just an awesome layout, great natural light, and very functional. Looking at the back of the house, you can see there's a nice covered patio. And this section of the covered patio is open right now because there's a little dry rot that needs to be dealt with. Nothing major, but ventilation was not good enough down in the crawl space, so a little dry rot happened. This is an as-is sale. You can see that in the pricing. It's not an insane amount of work to be done, but the home does have an older roof. It has that dry rot repair, and it's expected that the septic tank is a steel tank that Might be towards the end of its useful life. Just a beautiful backyard though. Lots of great landscaping, nice maple tree, RV parking. You can get around both sides of the house. There's the circular drive that goes all the way to the back and around. Beautiful lilac here. Some nice rhododendrons. Moving out to the garage, there's a 16-foot wide garage door, and this garage shop is fully insulated and has a 220 outlet inside and out. At one time, that 220 served a compressor and a welder at the same time. It's on a 40 amp breaker. You could charge electric vehicles off of either of those plugs or both at the same time. So you have two 220 outlets for electric vehicles or large equipment, welders, compressors, rock tumblers that's another thing that was used there. Just a really great workshop. And the well pressure tank is newer, and all of the well control systems are out here. And the shop has a lean-to storage off the back. Good for quads, lawnmowers, any equipment like that. Has lighting. And that 220 plug that could be used for a welder, compressor, or an electric vehicle. This barn it's a pole structure with steel posts. That central mezzanine can be removed for the tallest RVs to go in. Just needs siding if you wanted it enclosed, but it's a good cover to keep the sun and snow off everything. There's a frost-free hydrant out here next to the shop. It's already charged. An additional frost-free hydrant right over there next to the lean-to. And the storage shed in the back has a garage door. It's a dirt floor, but it's a nice shed. Good storage. Could have a concrete floor if somebody needed it, but for right now, it just makes an exceptional area for storage.